I'm pretty sure natapos na kayo manood ng aking full review ng Poco C65. And this one is just priced at around 4,000 plus pesos ng ang kanyang 6128 gigs of storage and around 5,000 pesos ang kanyang 8256. Now, sinabi ko naman sa inyo na sulit itong phone na ito. But gusto natin malaman kung papalag nga ba siya sa gaming. And in this video, papakita ko sa inyo 3 games na nilaro ko dito. Tingnan natin kung palaban nga ba itong phone na ito o hindi. Simulan natin. So one of the first game na gusto natin simulan is one of your favorite, Mobile Legends. So by far, this is the best settings na kaya natin ibigay dito sa G85 ni Poco C65. Now, I would say na itong game na ito is very smooth. Playing it for roughly mga 30 minutes na dito, medyo uminit siya sa likod. And probably you might need a cooler para medyo lumamig siya na mabilis. But overall, the gameplay was quite okay. So after playing for roughly 30 minutes dito with the Mobile Legend, I would say na very smooth ang gameplay. Setting to the all high settings na kaya nitong game na ito. And it was quite smooth. Wala mo na-feel na frame drops along the way. But I can say that yung gameplay is definitely nice. The only thing na napansin ko dito is umiinit sa likod. And based on my thermometer, umabot siya around mga 42 degrees Celsius. So a game cooler might help it cool down a little bit faster. So, diretso na tayo sa next game, which is the Call of Duty Mobile. Ito naman ang best settings na pwede natin makuha dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. So makita natin sa buong gameplay that there is very minor na lags. And okay naman ka ng screenplay, okay na, responsive naman ka ng screen. Overall naman, experience ko dito is nice. And yeah, playing VR matches and mga free-for-all games like this one sa Call of Duty Mobile is definitely okay na okay. Dahil ang laki na ka ng screen. So let's head on over sa Firelight 84. Ito naman ang best settings na pwede natin makuha dito sa Firelight 84.
I'm hit. What's happening? EMP activated.
I'm being attacked! Guys! Reloading. Restoring shield. Will take a while. Terrific hit! Oh, your entire squad looks good on the ground.
Start delivering airdrop.
Using medkit. Shh! Wound is
Reloading.
healing.
Restoring shields arrived. Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Restoring shield will take a while.
I'll be making the plans. Go here. Come on, hurry. Here.
I hit! Restoring
Pansin ko dito sa Farlight 84, sinagad natin ang kanyang graphics lang hanggang kung saan niya kaya. And honestly, the gameplay was good. Smooth naman siya, but there are some times na may feel ka konting frame drops along the way. But it's not really too much of a big deal. Now, medyo na feel ko umiinit siya sa likod while I'm playing. And titingnan na natin ang kanyang maximum temperature na na-achieve, no? And we were able to achieve roughly mga 42 degrees Celsius base dito. And actually hindi. Umabot pa siya ng 44. Kaya kita natin, no? Umabot siya ng roughly 44 to 45 degrees Celsius dito sa may camera module niya. Now, I would highly suggest that if you want to cool it down a lot faster, do consider buying yourself a game cooler. So, this is the highest and the hottest temperature na achieve ko, no? So far. It's 44.5 to roughly 45 dito sa Poco C65. So yun guys, ano masabi natin dito sa phone na ito? Is it good for gaming? Honestly, for the price point at around 4,000 something pesos, really sulit for me. I would tell you honestly na sulit naman siya for gaming. And it was able to perform, okay na okay naman siya. And overall, the experience was good. And pati ang kanyang camera is not so bad after all for that price point. Now guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And I hope nakapagtulong ako sa inyo pumili ng phone na gusto nyo for this Christmas or for this 11/11 sale. Now, if you feel na meron kayong mga friends na gusto bumili na ito, feel free to share this video and I'll see you on the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.